Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Parsec. For you to do that, you need to make an account. So open your browser and make sure you go to this website. You sign up or you have an account, that's okay. After you do that, then you'd have to download the Parsec program. Download it and install it into your computer. Once you install it, you'll have something like this and you'll need to set it up. Here's a way to set it up. Go to your settings, then go under host. Here, scroll down, bandwidth limit, then set it to 25. After you do that, go to client. Under client, make sure you go where it says render. Make sure it's on Direct3D 11. And after that, you can turn off VSync. And decoder, make sure if you have a GPU, then you can select your GPU. If you don't have a good GPU, then you can select software. And here, you can turn it off. After you do that, just go back to your computer and you can share. Here, you get a link. This link, you have to give it to someone so that they paste in their Parsec program. For them to paste it, they need to go over here and then they paste the link and they click on join. After you do that, the session will then begin, and that's how you do it, and vice versa. You're done.